Hello, welcome back to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we will discuss about exception handling in Spring Boot application. So today in this video we use the get API to get the user information, and if the user is not found then return the response error message as user not found. So let's create an application. Here I have created one Spring Boot project and created one API, that is get API, get user by ID, and this API will return the response to our client. Here I have created, and if I will send the request, here you can see in my database in user table we have only two records, that is ID 1 and 2, and if I will try to get another ID it will throw the exception. So first I will start my application. Here in my controller I have created one API, that is get user by ID, and here you can see my service layer. From here I am using user repository dot find by ID. If it is found then it will return the user. If user not found then it will throw the exception, that is new user not found exception, and it will be the message. Now my application has started. Now I will get the user. In my database only two users is available, that ID is 1 and 2, and here you can see the response. If I will try to find another user that is not available in my database, then it will throw the exception, that is user not found exception, user not found for user ID 3 and internal server error, and it is a big message. So if we just want to return client specific message, that is user not found for user ID 3, only this one we want to return, then we must need to return our own custom response. So to handle this exception we will create one global exception handler class. So now here I will create one package. New package. In this package now I will create one class. That is global exception handler. In this class I will use the annotation, that is @controller advice. So our Spring Boot application will understand this class is used to handle the all exceptions and will return on custom response. So here I will write one method public and return type is response entity. And the function name is exception handler. We can give any name. And at function level we will use the annotation that is @exception handler. And as a argument I will pass my exception class. User not found exception, that I have created my own custom exception. So when this exception will occur, this function will handle this, and this function will execute and return the own custom message. Here I will return the message and its status code, that is HTTP status not found. Now I will stop my server and run the application again. Now my application has started. Now I will again call same API with user ID 3. Now you can see here client specific message only. You can see here that is user not found for user ID 3 and not getting a JSON object. It's a string. Here I have created one class that is global exception handler, and I have applied @controller advice annotation at class level to handle the exception globally. So if any exception occurred in Spring Boot application, my methods in this class will be called to handle the exceptions. So here I have defined the method that is exception handler and applied annotation that is @exception handler annotation at method level, and that is used to handle the specific exception and sending the custom response to my client. So here I have mentioned the specific exception, that is user not found exception. So if in my Spring Boot application, if user not found exception will occur, then this method will be called and custom response will be returned back. Okay, thanks for watching this video.